Welcome to the creative or cinematic section of this course. We're going to be showing you all of the creative aspects of what it takes to become a great cinematographer. A cinematographer or director of photography, often referred to as a DP, is the person in charge of making an image look beautiful on the camera. This is the person that decides how to compose a shot, what framing to use, what camera angles to shoot from, what focal lengths to use, what camera movements to incorporate and when, whether those movements should be static, shaky, smooth moving, which stabilizer to choose for which scenarios, keeping your subject in focus throughout the whole shot, choosing what lighting patterns to use in both artificial and natural lighting scenarios, when to choose slow motion versus time lapses versus real time, and they ultimately have to understand how each of these things work together to tell a great story that conveys an emotional response from your audience. All of these elements are captivating story, and we'll be going over all of them in depth in this section and showing you how and when I've applied them in my own films. Keep in mind that there are different styles of cinematography. There is no right or wrong way, just creative preferences, but I'll be teaching you my style of cinematography, which generally incorporates a lot of movement, usually a lot of slow motion, often using more dramatic lighting. And then there's other cinematographers who like using more static shots, or don't like slow motion at all, or like lighting their scenes in completely different ways. So just be aware, I'm simply going to be showing you all the different elements to great cinematography and which ones I choose, and then it's up to you to adopt or omit the ones you like or don't like. Just realize that cinematography is an art. No two artists are going to do the exact same thing.